Choosing a solar fan involves considering several key factors to ensure it meets your needs and provides efficient performance. Here are some important aspects to consider. 1. Type of solar fan. Ceiling fans, suitable for large rooms and providing widespread air circulation. Ventilation fans, ideal for reducing humidity and improving airflow in specific areas like attics or greenhouses. Portable fans, great for personal use and easy to move around as needed. 2. Solar panel efficiency. Wattage. Higher wattage panels can generate more power, ensuring the fan operates efficiently even on cloudy days. Panel quality. Look for high-quality photovoltaic cells that offer good conversion efficiency. 3. Battery backup. Storage capacity. Fans with battery backup can operate during the night or when sunlight is insufficient. Check the battery capacity and charging time. Battery type. Lithium-ion batteries are typically more durable and efficient than lead-acid batteries. 4. Airflow and size. CFM, cubic feet per minute, indicates the amount of air the fan can move. Higher CFM means better cooling. Fan size. Ensure the fan size matches the room size for optimal performance. Larger fans are better for bigger spaces. 5. Build quality and durability. Materials. Look for fans made from durable materials, like metal or high-quality plastic to ensure longevity. Weather resistance. For outdoor use, the fan and solar panel should be weatherproof. 6. Additional features. Speed settings. Multiple speed settings allow for customized airflow. Remote control adds convenience, especially for ceiling and ventilation fans. Thermostat control. Some models come with built-in thermostats to automatically adjust fan speed based on temperature. 7. Brand and reviews. Reputable brands. Choose brands known for quality and reliability. Customer reviews. Check user reviews to get an idea of real-world performance and potential issues. 8. Installation and maintenance. Ease of installation. Some fans require professional installation, while others are plug-and-play. Maintenance requirements. Consider the ease of cleaning and maintaining the fan and solar panels. 9. Price and warranty. Budget. Determine your budget and compare features across different models within that range. Warranty. A good warranty can provide peace of mind regarding the durability and reliability of the fan. Recommended products and brands. Renogy, known for high-quality solar products. Nature Power offers a range of efficient solar fans. Eliving provides powerful ventilation fans with solar power options. By considering these factors, you can choose a solar fan that best fits your needs and ensures reliable and efficient performance.